has happened. So what is the review about the Kabayan events?
Okay, so actually things happen like this, but the team is very good, very efficient, and we're so happy that even though there's some confusion that happened, it still ended up so well. And then we're so happy and we're glad that we took the Kabayan events and entertainment.
So would you recommend them to your friends or relatives?
Yes, definitely, 100% we will.
Thank you so much, Mom. Are you here in Fujairah, Dubai, Abu Dhabi?
Fujairah.
Would you recommend the company or the event?
Yes, of course.
So any further review for the MCN reviews?
Ano to, 1 to 10 ba?
Yes, Ma'am.
11.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you din.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Day po yung masasabi ninyo tungkol po sa service or sa event hosting MC of Kabayan Events po.
Siyempre, masaya. Saka mabusog ang lahat, di ba? Double thumbs up.
Thank you po.